हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टेनो जोन। आज हम करेंगे एक जनरल मैटर की डिक्टेशन जिसकी स्पीड रहेगी अराउंड 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। ड्यूरेशन रहेगा 5 मिनट्स। ये जो डिक्टेशन होगी वो आपके एसएससी और ईएफपीओ के स्किल टेस्ट के लिए हेल्पफुल होगी। तो आइए डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं।
3, 2, 1, start. There has been long and overdue uncertainty regarding the government's policy about sugar industry. Stop. This situation is neither good for the industry itself, nor for the farmer, nor for the consumer, and nor for a large number of workers who are working in the sugar factories. Stop. I suppose it is not necessary for the government to take over only sick mills or sick factories. Stop. This has not been a very wise policy and not a good policy in the past. Stop. Why should not the government take over those mills or factories when they are running in profit? Stop. Otherwise, this uncertainty will make the factory owners to run them to destruction, and what eventually we will inherit will be junk only. Stop. Sir, the shortfall in sugar output this year is likely to be of the order of 3 to 4 lakh tons. Stop. No doubt there may be certain other reason, but this is one of the reasons that there is uncertainty and the sugar barons are not taking interest in more production of sugar. Stop. Sir, I would like to mention especially that UP is more main potato production area. Stop. Unfortunately, this has been neglected for a very long time, and only one district of UP, more than 5 lakh farmers are engaged in producing potatoes. Stop. They need about 100 wagons for loading potatoes in the season. Stop. Besides, there is an immediate need for setting up a potato starch factory in UP because there is a lot of demand by the textile industry for potato starch. Stop. A number of suggestions have been received by the ministry, but we are not told as to what is the decision of the ministry about it. Stop. Para. Sir, crop insurance has yet to be introduced even on an experimental basis. Stop. This is an essential requirement, and it is hoped that this will not remain a promised land for a long time. Stop. Similarly, forests in India occupy an area of about 750 lakh hectares and account for about 42% of the total geographical area. Stop. Comparatively, this is rather low percentage. Stop. We should explore ways and means to increase our forest wealth because baggage could be used for paper manufacturing and forests could be saved to a certain extent. Stop. Para. I find in Delhi that if there is shortage of electricity, there are complaints from the members of parliament of Assam and other states. Stop. If there is shortage of any other thing, there is a complaint. But when we ask for more water for drinking purposes, it is denied to us. Stop. I would like to mention that we have the Agra Canal in the Delhi Union Territory, but not even an inch of Delhi territory is irrigated by this canal. Stop. We have hardly about 100 tube wells in Delhi. Stop. That means about half a tube well irrigates one Delhi village. Stop. Hundreds of acres of land in Delhi have been taken over by the DDA and other agencies from the farmers. Stop.
तो ये थी हमारी आज की डिक्टेशन। इस डिक्टेशन के साथ में एक एक्सपेरिमेंट ये किया गया है कि इस डिक्टेशन को फ्लक्चुएट करके बोला गया है, यानी कि इस डिक्टेशन की स्पीड को मैक्सिमम 90 वर्ड्स पर मिनट तक एक्सटेंड किया गया है। होपफुली आप इसे अच्छे से लिख पाएं। इस डिक्टेशन से संबंधित आपको जो भी क्वेरीज हो वो आप मेरे से कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो उसको लाइक करें, दोस्तों में शेयर करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।